Light on the tummy, fun to eat, and extremely simple to make. These are soft and fluffy Goli Idlis. Let's begin. I'm taking 1.5 cups of water to boil and adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water has come to a boil, I'm adding 1.5 cups of rice flour and mixing it in. Let the flour absorb all the water completely. Cover the lid and simmer for 2 minutes for the flour to turn moist. Next, I'm taking the mixture off the pan and transferring it into a mixing bowl. When it's cool enough to touch but still warm, wet your hands and knead the mixture into a soft and smooth dough. We will be making small Goli Idlis from this dough. For shaping the dough into idlis, I'm greasing my palms with oil, taking small portions of the dough and shaping them into small balls or golis. They are shaped and ready to be steamed. For steaming, I am greasing the idli plates with oil and transferring the dough balls onto them. Let the idlis steam for 12 minutes on medium flame. The Goli Idlis are steamed. To give them a kick of taste, I am heating a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 green chilli chopped, 1 inch ginger grated, 2 dried red chilies, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds, and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Saute for 30 seconds and add the steamed Goli Idlis. At the end, just a touch of coriander leaves and Goli Idlis are done. Pair them up with hot and spicy tomato chutney or sambar and get rolling with this fun and delicious meal. Until we meet again, eat well, live well and stay blessed.